Good evening everyone. Today I am showing to how to clip a raster uh, by extent. So at first I open a SAR image and how to clip in a raster by extents. So at first you have to open in your data and then you have click in a raster and then you have select in a extraction option, then you have select in a clip raster by extent. I have selected and clip in a raster by extent, then you then the open in a tab in click raster by extent. You have at first you have put the input layer, the input layer. You have opened the image in QGIS platform, then the input layer already selected, and then you have particular which uh, area you are extra. So I have select in this area. So then you have clipping extents option and then click in a right corner three dot bottom, then you have select you in a use map canvas extent. I have selected already, and then you have in other option you have not selected, then you have uh, to select in a output file folder. You have saved to a temporary file, but I have saved in a permanent folder. So I have selected in a save to file. Then you have selected in which folder you have to store it in your data. I have selected in my folder, so I have put it in name sample raster extent, and then click by run and then close the tab. I have selected in this area, so the output you have shown the simple raster extent already open. Okay, so that this is the process to how to clip to a raster file in by raster extension. Means you have selected in a one area in your QGIS platform. The QGIS platform shown in the in your software, so that need to be there required. Then you have click the uh, follow these steps and you have easily extract by in this area. Okay, thank you, I think it will be very helpful for all of us. So thank you so much.